It's early morning and Alex is still asleep. Behind closed eyes, something wonderful is happening. Inside a dream, more vivid than anything real. Alex wakes up and for a moment remembers everything. Every detail feels perfectly clear. Alex tries to hold on to it, but it starts to slip away. The dream fades, like smoke in the air. Within seconds, it's almost completely gone. Alex reaches for it, but there is nothing left to hold. And just like that, the dream is gone. Not even a memory of it remains. Have you ever had an amazing dream, only to forget it before you could even tell someone? Where did it go? Did your brain erase it? Or was it never really stored in the first place? Some memories are kept carefully for years. Others disappear, almost the moment they're made. Dreams almost always belong to the second kind. So why does that happen? It's a question almost everyone has wondered about. Life goes on, and the dream is already forgotten, lost quietly, without a trace, for something that felt so real. It's strange how fast it vanishes. So where exactly does a dream go? To find out, we have to look inside the brain itself, because to answer this, we need to understand what dreams really are. And that story begins the moment we fall asleep. Let's step inside and see what's really going on. Dreams can feel more real than reality itself. In them, you can visit places that could never exist, meet people you have never seen before in your life, fly through the sky, weightless and free. Relive moments from your childhood exactly as they felt. Feel pure happiness without any reason at all, or feel real, gripping fear. Feel love, deep and unexplainable, or feel sadness without knowing exactly why. Sometimes dreams feel completely random. Other times they tell an incredible story. But seconds after waking up, almost all of it disappears. Why does this happen? Where do those memories actually go? If dreams feel so real, why are they also the easiest memories to lose? The answer might be hiding somewhere unexpected. Even trying to hold on doesn't seem to help. The dream world crumbles piece by piece, and there is nothing you can do to stop it. Piece by piece, it drifts away, like a balloon slipping out of your hand. Even the most vivid dreams don't stand a chance. Scientists have been trying to understand this for decades. This is the mystery of the forgotten dream. And to solve it, we have to go somewhere most of us never see. A place hidden behind closed eyes, every single night. The answer begins deep inside your sleeping brain. Let's go inside and see what's happening. While you're sleeping, your body is completely still. But your brain, it is surprisingly active. Let's take a look inside. During REM sleep, billions of neurons fire together. That's why your eyes move rapidly beneath closed lids. Different parts of the brain start talking to each other in ways that almost never happen while you're awake. Your brain starts mixing old memories together. It adds in raw emotion, a splash of imagination, and pieces of your everyday experiences. Together, they form something entirely new, a dream. Some of these dreams become beautiful adventures. Others turn into frightening nightmares. Either way, it feels completely real while it lasts. But something important isn't happening. Your brain isn't saving most of this as a lasting memory. The storage system simply isn't switched on. And Alex has no idea any of this is happening. The dream just floats there, unanchored. Nothing is holding it in place. Hour after hour, the night moves forward. New dreams keep forming one after another, until, slowly, morning begins to arrive, and the dream begins to lose its glow, right as Alex begins to stir, which raises a strange question. If it's never going to be remembered, why does your brain even bother creating it at all? That question takes us straight to the science. Scientists believe they have found the answer. It comes down to how memories are actually formed. To remember something for years, it has to be moved into long-term storage. A small structure called the hippocampus makes that happen. It plays one of the biggest roles in memory. Normally, it helps transfer memories from short-term to long-term. But during dreaming, your brain chemistry changes. Certain chemicals drop to very different levels, and the memory system doesn't work quite the same way. It's still running, just not the way it does while you're awake. Awake, memories flow smoothly into long-term storage. Asleep, most of it never even arrives. So the dream is never fully written down. It stays fragile, barely holding together. The moment you wake up, reality rushes back in, and it replaces the fragile dream almost instantly. Within seconds, most of it disappears. It happens faster than you'd think. By the time you sit up, it's mostly gone. Like a sandcastle, washed away by the tide. That's the real reason most dreams don't survive. It isn't about forgetting on purpose. It's simply how the sleeping brain works. But wait, not everything disappears. One small piece is still holding on, almost like it doesn't want to be forgotten. Because sometimes a dream really does stay with you. So what makes that one different from all the rest? Yet some dreams somehow survive. Not every dream disappears. Some dreams stay with us for years. Why do a few dreams refuse to fade? The answer usually comes down to one thing: emotion. Powerful feelings leave a much deeper mark. Nightmares are one clear example. You wake up, heart pounding, and remember every detail. Lucid dreams, where you know you're dreaming, stay too. That awareness alone makes them harder to forget. So do dreams that happen during stressful times in your life, and dreams tied to memories that already matter to you. The stronger the emotion, the more your brain pays attention. Emotional centers in the brain team up with memory centers, and that partnership helps the memory stick. An ordinary, calm dream has nothing holding it in place. But an emotional one stays anchored. That's why one dream can stay with you for a lifetime, while hundreds of ordinary dreams quietly disappear. One bright memory, surrounded by countless forgotten ones. Picture a library of memories. Most of the shelves are quiet and empty, but one single book glows brighter than all the rest. And somehow, you never forget it. That's the twist, hiding inside all of this. Because even the dreams you forget may not be entirely gone. They might leave behind a quiet trace, a feeling you can't quite explain, a mood that shows up for no clear reason. So what if forgotten dreams aren't really lost? But what if even forgotten dreams leave something behind? Maybe forgotten dreams aren't truly lost. Even if you can't remember a single detail, the feelings they created might still be there, quietly shaping the way you think, influencing your creativity, your fears, and even the choices you make. Tonight, you'll probably dream again, just like every other night. And somewhere behind closed eyes, a new dream will form, full of its own strange, beautiful details. And tomorrow morning, most of it will quietly disappear again. But perhaps one small part won't. A tiny piece that quietly stays behind. Not as something you remember, but as something that quietly shapes who you are. Every dream you've ever had leaves a little light behind, a small, quiet gift from every single night. So maybe forgetting isn't really losing. So the next time you wake up from an unforgettable dream, take a moment before it fades. Just appreciate it for exactly what it is. Because within seconds, it may be gone forever. But something, somewhere inside you, will remain, quietly shaping who you're becoming. One quiet dream at a time. Thank you for watching. And sleep well tonight. See you in the next dream.